Why are you staring at me as if I mentioned a ghost name?
Hey, Biko, please. I don't want you to mention that name. I know he's my son. But as soon as you mention his name, he will appear. So I don't like anybody calling his name Biko.
Hey, appear what? As how?
Obioma, you don't know my son as much as I know him. He has gone to the city to hustle. And I pray he never returns soon. If you call his name now, this boy will appear from nowhere. So I told him keep off here, Biko. Because once his name is called, BP Malikopa.
Ijoma, my friend.
You are not afraid of your own son, yeah?
Ah, Mama! Mama, no, it's me, your son. Mama, the Lolo, the Mama. Mama, I am back. This is your son, Mbuze. In fact, aka Erosion Control. I am back. Fear not, put your mouth.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Wonderful. Do you know that I was expecting a total change? That is if I come to this place, everywhere I will tie. I still, what it is. This will be 3. From city, when I was coming, I said no. By the time I arrived here now, this will be 3 would have been at the backyard. He's still here. Mama, this coconut have grown more than me. Before I left, they were average. How come? They didn't eat fertilizer. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. This one gave back to this 3. And now they are taller than their mother. Fantastic. Mama, this sticker is still here. Anointed power is in action. I remember when I put this sticker. It is still here. Wonderful. How are you?
Buze. So you don't have respect again. I'm not your mate. You can't even greet me.
Hey. Oh. Just only this one labor room that you entered and discharged one picking. That is what gave you leverage to tell me that you are now because you added flesh. I don't blame you. Do you understand?
Why will you insult my friend?
Who is your friend?
She's my friend.
You are telling me that I should greet her. Do you know how many times my mother entered the labor room? Is it because she came out with me only? Do you know how many times I entered the labor room, me myself? If you think you entered labor room because you were pregnant, I entered labor room because I was pregnant here. I think a lot. I have a lot on this head. Let me not bounce on you now because you will not like it. Otherwise, I'll make you pregnant. Mama,
I'll give it.
Did you cook anything inside?
There's no food. You that just came back. What did you bring for me? Give you water along. You know I'm in the village. What did you buy for your mother?
Buze. So you came back from yourself. You came all the way from city and you did not bring anything for your family.
Yeah. Madonna.
I'm ashamed of you.
You don't have respect.
How many cups of sand?
You don't have respect.
You went
to the city and you came back.
Respect for who?
Yes, Obioma, is she your mate? Is she your mate? Is she your mate?
Mama, look at this girl. As young as you are, you're already a widow. Your husband came to marry you because he heard your name, Obioma. He came and married you. Didn't know that you're Obioma. You sent the man to early grave. And now you're talking to one.
Stop insulting the young lady. Why insult my friend?
Who's your friend?
She's my friend.
But your friends are supposed to be, when you come to age, your friends are supposed to be 3 days. What discussion? What?
Please go inside, carry your bag and go and eat. Hey!
Do you mix carbide and battery to do your makeup? Why is it testing Akanwo?
No, I respect.
Mama? Hello, Mama. You've not changed this key. Don't worry, I'll change it. Jump. Meaning what? Starting when? No. Meaning what was the meaning of what you did? Eh? Choma. I said, what is the meaning? Okay, this thing you did now. What will you call it?
I know you were hiding. I know how to startle you now.
You startled me. You knew I was hiding. That was why you startled me. Supposing that time you startled me, if I had raised my voice and the people that I am hiding from see me, what would you have said? What would have been my fate?
I never knew you were hiding from people now. I'm sorry.
This is what you would have told me, sorry. If the people that I'm hiding from had seen me and given me a series of beating, you'd have come and tell me, I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm sorry. Eh?
Would have pushed you inside the bush, so you hide very well inside the bush now. You hide inside the bush.
You would have pushed me inside the building, inside the bush.
Now you hide very well inside there now.
You would have pushed me. See, let me tell you, Choma, let today be the very first and the last day you will try this kind of nonsense. Any day you try it, you won't like me. Choma, let me tell you, they say that one thing is going to kill a man, but see you can't kill me. You cannot kill somebody like me. Your head, 7 put together cannot kill somebody like me. What you are representing and what represents you cannot kill me. My head is bigger than all of you. So you can't do anything. In fact, I'm living here.
Buzi now. Say, come back now.
Come, but let me ask you, Choma. Were you a pussycat in your former life? Which one is a pussy? No. Come now. In your former life? You're saying pussy. Nonsense.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What have I done to you? Where have I gone wrong? Did I do anything wrong giving birth to you? Eh? Mimi Fojo, why are you punishing me like this?
Mama, did he touch you? He touched you. See, let me tell you. You see this house? This house belongs to me. So I do whatever thing that pleases me. Anything I want to do, that is what I do. And then, look at the pot you are even using to cook. Pot that is older than your child. When your mates are using pots that their children are older than to cook, you're using pot that is older than your son to cook. Don't you know that if you cook food in an ancient pot or with an ancient pot, the food will be tasting ancient? The meat that I took from this pot, even the meat was tasting old meat. Meanwhile, it is today. It was today's meat.
Where have I gone wrong?
I don't know.
Where have I offended you?
Check.
Anyway, no problem. I'll keep doing my best. But all I know is, one day, Mrs. will catch up with you.
No, wait. Did you just swear for me?
Yeah, man. One day.
That's all I would tell you. Is that a birthday wish? Was that a compliment? That Nemesis was, Mama? Okay. Anyway, no problem. Let me tell you. Let me just give you one expo. You are yet to see the other version of my Nsobu. This is your calling the other versions. I just kept them. I have latest version of what you're going to see, more of, my latest version. I just kept them inside locker and locked them. I'll be releasing them one by one. I will keep releasing them.
Nkechi,
Papa,
where are you going to?
I'm going out to receive fresh air.
To receive fresh air?
Yes, sir.
And you dress like this?
Please don't worry, I'm wearing.
Mama Nkechi, do you see what your daughter is wearing?
Nah, my husband, let her be. We're in a modern world where everything in this life is modernized. Thank you. Yes.
Yes.
Nkechi,
Sir?
I don't want to repeat myself. Go into the house and remove that cloth.
Ha! Mama, I'm not going inside to remove anything. And what is this now? I'm not a child anymore. Why are you always treating me as if I'm still a child? I'm a grown woman. Papa, let me tell you something. You see this thing I'm wearing? Andy, this is what is raining now. Mama, tell him. This is what is raining.
Yes, sir.
Ichi, go into the house and remove those clothes. I don't want to repeat myself again.
No. She will not do such thing.
Thank you.
Allow this girl to be like her fellow mates. Not to be left behind. Bingo. Chido.
Mama, if not for one thing then. Mama, taga. Mama. I took after you. Ma, I took after you.
Go into the house and remove that cloth.
Trust me. Shawarma. How many shawarma? Tell your daughter.
Only one you can
10.
10.
Mama, don't worry.
They don't want to mad. They go to
Woman, anything that happens to this your daughter, you will bear the consequence.
Sit down.
Look at you.
Don't even know fashion.
Come on, no way, let me repeat. Come on.
Go.
Sorry, I like using language.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
So, how are you there?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm alright. Sorry for stopping you.
Fine.
Just want to know you more. So, what's your name?
My name is Nkechi, but my friends call me Enke baby.
Really? I'm Chukwudi by name, but my friend called me Chooks.
I'll call you Chooks.
Oh, you prefer that?
Yeah.
That's lovely. So, where are you from?
I'm from Enugu here.
For real? Very small word. I'm from Achala.
Wow. Achala.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Enugu girls, I heard you guys are very simple and nice and all that.
can
No, I
say
can't
that again.
No.
You can
So
say that
I'm one
again.
of the luckiest person I've met right now. So tell me, where are you heading to?
I'm going to go see a friend down the road.
For real, if you don't mind, can I drop you?
At all. I don't mind.
For real?
I don't mind.
Puppy, let's go, dear. Puppy, let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
Adaku. Adaku. Adaku, what is wrong with you? Adaku, you have been in this mood for days now. What is wrong with you?
Well, good afternoon.
Afternoon. Like I asked earlier on, what is the problem?
Brother. Do you know Mbuze? Or whatever they call him? Mbuze wanted to rape me. That what? Me.
Wait. Mbuze wanted to do what?
Rape me now. Meaning Mbuze wanted to rape me.
Mbuze no receive.
He didn't succeed.
Mbuze wanted to rape you. Okay. Now tell me, how did you manage to escape?
A hunter from nowhere, mad neighbors.
From the last record I had, we don't have hunters in this town. How come this hunter of a person?
I don't know.
One thing I thank God is that he didn't succeed. See, Mbuze, I swear to God, I will kill you. I will set you ablaze. I will beat you blue black.
Oh, come on, catch up on me one day.
Happening?
9.
When will our daughter get married?
9. Leave everything to God, eh? Because after all, God's time is the best.
Every time,
yes.
everything for God. Can't you see that she is overgrowing?
Hey, 9. Hey! Mama! Hello!
Good afternoon.
Hey!
Thank you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
How are you? Hey, Una, sit down. Eh? They go inside, get seat for him.
Okay, ma'am.
Hey!
Okay, ma'am.
Hey! Oh! You're welcome.
Thank you. Young man, sir, who are you?
Yeah, 9. Offer him color before you examine him. Eh? Can you Where do you find that?
Woman, don't hear me.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to cause any trouble here. Okay, so anyways, my name is Chukudi. And my friends call me Chase. I'm from Enugu, beside you, Achala.
Who is your father?
My father is Ibezim.
Ibezim?
Yes, sir.
The former local government chairman?
Yes, sir.
I think I know him very well.
Now you know. Let's talk another thing now. Let's talk another thing.
Woman, I'm discussing my daughter. Don't push me.
Mama.
34.
Allow Papa to talk now.
What is it? 34.
Allow Papa to talk.
What brought you to my house?
Actually, sir, I saw your daughter and I think I like her so much.
You like her?
Yes, sir. I want to come and...
Oh, you like her? Love her?
Sir, oh, sorry. I love her so much.
You love her?
She loves me too. So I came here to know the requirements of...
Nkechi, my daughter.
Sir.
Get into the house. Get me my drink. Let me offer my visitor.
Okay, Papa. Hey, me, and Daisy. How are you guys doing?
Nkechi, we are not fine.
What happened? Why are you guys not fine?
There's a saying that says, show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are. But
Hey, Daisy, you and this your parables. From one parable to another. Explain to me, what are you trying to say this time around?
Nkechi,
My darling.
are we not your friends?
You guys are my friends. You guys are my
Then
friends.
why are you here to teach us how to be like you?
Hey. Are you guys serious?
We are serious, so. Overseers are warriors.
Is you?
As your friend, you're supposed to be looking as hot, as sexy as you are looking right now. Just look at your gown. What's that one? This is bone straight. No, this is bone coins. Oh, bone coins. See that gown you're wearing. If I wear that gown with this my uku, everything will just come out. But you want to just be looking good only by yourself.
Wait.
And all these small boys, all these boys in this place will be chasing you around like flies. No, teach us now, so they also look at us.
Mimi, is that all? Or like Oguchani here na bagi?
Oh, Nkechi. Oh, is that not enough? See, you don't know that these boys in this community,
Okay.
they are looking for who will quench their hunger. And after that, they will go home and start doing soapy. Just like
Soapy?
looking now. Yes.
Soapy? So are you trying to say that all those boys, they do soapy? Like men looking at me?
Yes,
They
no.
go into the serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious right now? Hey,
Asa,
my
eat
dear.
the sharp.
I know.
Oh, please, as your friends, we are begging. Just arrange us. You know, in a final. Somehow. We are friends. Teach us now.
You need to calm down now.
Yeah, come on.
Nigeria, calm down. This Opofin couple. It's a small challenge. Opa Enki baby. I will fix you guys up.
Okay.
When I am done with you, this your waist. Ordering a gown. Trust me, all those men will fall in one by one. And you're not left out of my darling. When I arrange you, I can't wait. My darling Chico, it's a small challenge, okay?
We can't wait.
Thank you, baby. Darling.
Mama Mbuze, what is the problem?
I'm finished. I am finished. Kemabugo.
How?
Joseph has finished me. He has dragged my 2 legs outside. He has pulled my nakedness for everybody to see. Obama, you remember our meeting contribution that was given to me to keep? The whole money that I kept. Buze went to where I kept this money and took all of them.
Hey! Our meeting money.
Yes.
Hey!
He took all of them.
My friend is okay. It's okay, oh.
No, it's not okay. It is not okay.
It's okay. Mama, it is okay. When he comes back, you will ask him.
It is not okay, oh. How can it be okay? You don't know that boy. Imaron Buze at all. If you know him, you won't tell me that it's okay. It's not okay. Where do I raise this money? Where do I get it from? How do I pay back? You have seen my life now. If anybody does not know me, at least you know me. You know me. Everything.
Hey!
He has finished me.
This is a big problem, oh.
He has eaten the money.
Easy.
He took it.
Hey!
Please, no, you sit.
Kiss me better, baby, hold me better.
my money? Can I ever come here?
Which money are you talking about?
You're asking me which money, Buze. The man was like you open my handbag.
Mama, if you need money, why don't you say, Buze, please dash me money?
Don't tell me that you have used my money to drink.
Me use your money to... Mama, relax yourself. By this time later, I will give you enough. Plenty money as much as you want. I will give you.
Look at it. The money you want to give to me, where did you get it from?
Mama, the same place that you used to get your... The same place that you used to get your own. Mama, I use head number. I don't know what you want me to use to do.
Come back here.
Mama, why are you doing me rewinding?
Who is rewinding you? Who is rewinding you? Just give me back my money because what's that me here? Don't talk to me with your smelly mouth.
Is that the best better?
Let me tell you, when you go in there, just go and drop my money.
Otherwise,
I will tell you that I have a very bad hand.
Do it now.
Oh.
Yeah, I think you will do tomorrow. Do it now. Mama, you say you have a bad heart.
Stop taking my money. Stop using my money.
You see the place you're taking my head to? You're taking my head to your breast. I can't remember the last time I visited that place. If I tackle it in this my age now, you will no longer like it. I'm telling you. By the way, Mama, is there food?
Food, why on? Which food? Where you are coming from? Did they give you food?
Mama, is there food? Get some food before I go.
It's
alright. Mama, who locked this door?
Come on, get inside there and don't give me my money.
Who is that person? Who is come and get inside there?
Come on, get inside.
I will arrest him. Father, come.
Hey!
I'm confusion issue. Why are you laughing?
Why I'm laughing? Why I'm laughing? So I don't have right to laugh again.
I don't understand why you are laughing.
Is it your laugh? The laugh is none of your business.
I think this one is very sweet too. Let me taste it.
I don't want.
This one is very sweet. This one is very sweet. What's up, you now? This particular thing that I've been asking of you, and I've been asking for a very long time. Why can't you tell me, look at my face, have pity on me and say, oh yeah, come and do. And what is there?
I can't remember you asking me of anything. So, what is it you're talking about? Mbuze, you're pointing at my skate. It's like a very stupid.
What is wrong with you? It's a normal thing that everybody would ask for me. What is wrong with me?
As now from Nina Yala. So if I open my leg now, you enter.
No, you don't need to open it. I use my hand and open it. You don't need to open your legs for me. I can even come from back. Close your leg. I come from behind. You don't need to worry yourself.
Go. Hold it there. What is your problem? Listen, let me tell you. Today be the very first day and the last day you will stop me on the road to say this nonsense you are saying now. Or else, what I will do to you.
What I'm saying is nonsense.
You will not like what I will do to you.
Adak, you know that there are many ways to kill a rat. Either by Ishirionya.
Because, please,
or Tapia.
Nonsense.
If your uku on uku news nibo, it has so abadan chokota akuko. That means one uku chokota. You're making a yanga with it. But let me tell you, there are two formulas with which you can solve mathematics. Adako is either you use LCM, proper fraction and improper fraction, to solve mathematics. don't forget there is another way to get what I'm looking for. By the time I will declare myself drunk in this village, I'll rape you. I'll bounce on you. Man, get man, how far? Dios.
Hey, you see that thing I was telling you? What is that? Didn't you see the way Common Mbuze was spraying money on you? And didn't even give us the least ₦1.
Oh my goodness,
Not funny.
Adeze. Breaking in why your coffee or Zoro give one. What is it?
One and go fake.
You girls should calm down. Girls. You girls should calm down.
I know.
Nkechi baby. I know they go back on my words too. So calm down.
I know. But I'm talking about the profit that is in it. Babe, there's profit in this thing.
Show us love now.
Let me tell you girls something. This village, Okoberoboda, will set this village on fire. By the time we arrive, by the time the happening babes arrive, they're never ready for us. Very soon. Very soon.
Hey!
Very soon.
We there now.
What is this?
Mama, I'm respecting you. Honestly speaking, I know the reason I'm keeping quiet. I'm not keeping quiet because I don't know what to do to you. I am keeping quiet because you are my mother. You breastfed me very well.
Oh.
When others were breastfeeding for 6 months to 1 year, you gave it to me for 7 good years.
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm keeping quiet too. Otherwise, I would have blown you. If I jump grass.
I'm regretting for giving you that breast milk for 7 years.
You regret?
Oh no, if I fed you for 1 month, you would have become a strong man.
Mama, don't you know that it's because you've breastfed me for 7 years? That is why I have sense. I have 7 senses. I've not even touched sin.
Please give me my money. I can't make call this deal. I can't call with you. Give me my money.
Mama, you leave me.
You are not stepping out of this house.
See the way you're shouting now, the way you're talking this, people will think I'm not stepping out of this house.
You will not step out of this house.
Me will not step out.
Yes.
Mama, I'll blow you.
Hey!
Okay?
I want more.
Stop shouting. Mama, stop shouting.
Let the wall here.
Stop shouting. People will think I'm beating you when I'm not started beating you.
So you're afraid?
I'm not afraid of anybody. It's just that Mama, leave me now.
Give me the money.
Mama, why are you holding your son?
Thank you very much. Somebody, God bless you. Don't mention. Ask her, why are you holding your son like
this? I said you should shut up. Look at you. Nene, see, I came here because of you. I came here because of you.
Hey.
Imagine you shut up. The mother like a knockout. Shut up! I thought it was a knockout sound.
Hey. Okay, look, just say shut up.
Amadi, I'm making that. You didn't say that shut up to me. Amadi, you came from your wherever to this place to come and tell me shut up. Even when you came here, you asked a reasonable question. I thought you were reasonable. Not knowing that you just hid your ugliness into that under that goodness. Amadi, let me tell you, I will not talk to you now. Because I don't even know the one that is working in you. Whether it is the Pito and the Igbo mixed together that you took. Let us battle this enemy. After all, Bible said that those who worship spirit will be like spirit. And physically we know that those who steal goat will be like goat. Look at the way you're looking like a goat. Anyway. Amadi, let me ask you. Do you have problem with your baba?
Let me leave this cloth.
Mama,
let me leave it today.
Relax yourself.
Just go. When you go back, you must give me my money.
Mama, go and drink
Once you come back, you may go.
Mama, go and drink cold water. By the time I come back, I will give you your money.
No problem.
Make
up. Bring back my money.
You. Let me ask you once again. Do you have a problem with your baba?
Eh? Because
just go, no problem. You must give me back my money. You must give me back my money.
This guy.
Lapia. I'm at the one brought you to my house. What is it?
Mama Buze, I came here to warn you. I want you to warn your son to stay away from my sister.
You know what nonsense talk is this? You left your house and come to my own house to warn me to warn my son to stay away from your sister. But you were here a few minutes ago before my son left and you didn't warn him. As a wise man or woman that you are. You didn't.
Is that an insult or what?
I don't blame you. Amadi, I don't blame you. It's Buze that I blamed. If Buze had stayed a little longer, he would have admired.
Is that all you have to say?
Yeah.
Is this all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say?
This is all you have to say.
Chekwano, Abumwake. Do I not chase you? Am I the one chasing your sister?
There is no problem.
Am I the one going after your sister?
There is no problem.
Anywhere you see her, go and tell her, my friend, come on, get out of this place. Anywhere you meet Mbuze, matching man to man. Go tell if I think a pan. Nonsense. I trust myself. I know what he can do. After all, he's only a fool man that goes after a woman.
We're in the meeting over 2 good hours now. We couldn't see you. What happened?
My dear lady, I am sorry. I wanted to come, but actually the problem I am having is my son. I wanted to come and give report on the money you gave me to keep. I know today is the day for me to give the report, but I found out my son stole the money. He took the money from where I kept it. Shirley, I cannot lie to you. I will tell you the truth as it were. And you know how things are now. If not, I would have found a means of raising the money, even if it's half to bring to the meeting. But because of the way things are, I couldn't raise any money.
Mama Mbuze, show that trash you call him out. Like, Kucheya. See, we are not moved by this your crocodile tears at all. See, all we want is just go inside there and bring our money. That is just it.
Mboko, speak for yourself. And listen to what she's saying.
The truth is that is not an excuse. Like, Chacha or an excuse. See, others used to take their money to the bank. So, you could have just easily taken the money to the bank. Why didn't you?
It's like you are very stupid.
Hey, Inanokwa. Obioma, you telling me I'm stupid. If not for the child lady, I will just give you 2 hands.
Yeah.
You are very stupid.
Only 2 hands. You should have make it 4. I say you should calm down.
Alright, I would have gone to the bank. But I remember that you said that I should bring it. You gave me time to bring it. And I checked the time of going to the bank and bringing it. I decided to keep it so that anytime you ask me for this money, it will be available for me to give you. Only for my son to go there.
Ijoma, When are we expecting the money? I want to know.
Lady, I don't know if you people will be patient enough with me to give me just 2 months to go around and raise this money for you people. 2 months.
Did I just hear you well? Did I hear you say 2 months? Like 1, 2, 2 months? No, I cannot take that. Just go inside there and bring our money.
Adam Boko, what is your problem?
See, my problem is that 2 months is too far. She should just go and give us our money.
Calm down. Please shut up. Let the child lady speak. I say you should calm down. I'm here. You are ranting. What are you ranting? Why the chair lady is here? Don't you have respect? Don't you hear what she said? Ijeoma.
Yes, ma'am.
As a chair lady of this meeting, I'm giving you 6 good months to find out our money.
Thank you, ma'am.
Do you hear me?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'll do my best before that 6 months. I'll raise the money because this can happen to anybody. We are all mothers. It's just that my son decided to bring out my nakedness to the world to see. Just give me time because I'll raise the money.
I say you should calm down. Chair lady is talking to you. Chair lady, thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Come to see me.
My friend.
Buze! What is the meaning of this? What is this? Look at, you finished the whole pot of rice I cooked for both of us and spilled the others on the ground. Just to...
Mama, look at it very well. The money sheep. You gotta keep me. Huh? See, let me tell you, Mama. Next time, if you want to cook, use 17 meat. Don't go and use 1.5 meat. Do you know that I finished the 1.5 meat before eating the rice? So next time, if you want to cook, use 17 meat, so that do you understand? Mama di lolo. You see? Did you hear the sound of an old pot? If this were to be a modern pot, you can now king come. The old pot, yeah. Please, so make sure next time you want to cook with a modern pot, not ancient.
I gave birth to my son like every other woman does to the husband.
No lie. It's not true.
My will not. Instead of him to bring cost to me, let that same cost remain with him.
Huh? Mama?
You see, all these things you're doing to me, your children will do them to you. Children will do them to you.
Hey, look at the Mama. Mama, who told you I want to have children? I don't want to have children.
By tears in my eyes, you'll be shedding tears onto your own part.
I don't want children, so the cost will not work. You see, I want to have a child. Only. I don't want children, so the cost will not work.
You see me go hungry. Thank you.
You are saying that I made you hungry. Mama, only few seconds hungry, you're complaining. What about Jesus, who was hungry for 40 days and 40 nights? He died. Even though he pain her. But he didn't die. Jesus. You understand that? You know what I'm saying? You know that. My mother complain of hunger. Just 1 minute.
She will go home.
Just also teach us later. She learn.
You carry it up. Don't hold it, just carry it up.
Go still. What do I carry?
Wait, now like this. Adeze, carry it up.
Okay, China, teach me this like this.
No, you're walking like this. Carry it up. Hold the books. Then you package here. So you draw attention when you walk. You know, you're a woman, so you don't fling your hair.
Hey, you know? Okay, like this.
Exactly. What are you doing? Are you not seeing me?
Am I getting it?
You're getting it, baby girl. Move it. Make no go leave your body. See what they do. Why are you drawing that thing down? Waka like this now. Stop drawing this thing down. Give it to me. Yes. Baby girl. Give it to me. Fling that hair. Please, let's do it. Give it to me before you fall. What is going on? What is wrong? Why has my son decided to be a thorn in my flesh? My own blood son. The child I gave back to. What wrong have I done to you? I want this. If this continues, I'll get this life. Where is 150,000? Have I ever seen 150,000? Where do I get 50,000? 150,000 to give to the women? What have I done to you? I'll kill myself. You want my blood? I'll kill myself for you.
I'm sorry, but who are you?
I'm fine.
I didn't ask how are you. I said, who are you? So what are you doing here all alone in the bush?
Bush. I'm waiting for you. No. I'm looking for you.
What for?
Just to tell you thank you for saving me the other time. Yes.
Oh, you're the girl from that day.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see. It's all right. I mean, it's one of those things. Okay. It's all right. So, can I go?
Yes. No. Sorry.
my name is Adako. Adako Amandi. Yes, Amandi Adako Amandi.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Beautiful name. Adako Amandi. Okay. My name is Afam.
Oh, Afam. What a lovely name. You are so lovely, very handsome, and caring. You are the kind of guy everybody would like to.
Guys, I have business for us now.
Business?
Better business.
Busy waiting the worry you now. Guess this now. Which one be your own?
If I slap you now, you go shut up. You know, you close your mouth. You
won't slap you. I leave. That one go fit happen at all. No go happen. I won't slap him now. Who bring this guy come here safe?
Wait, guys. We are going to Chinwe's house now to bring our properties that are there.
Confirm. I like what you talk.
I beg no verse. You see what I'm saying? We are going to Chinwe's house. It's Chinwe now is house. We are going to Chinwe's house. To Chinwe's house to go and well, if what they are trying to say is that we are going to Chinwe's house to go and take property. My brother, my sister, I don't have a property in Chinwe's house. Hi. By the way, when did Chinwe start stealing? When did she start stealing that she now thieves people's property?
Buze. You see this guy? This guy is an animal, seriously. This guy is an animal. I don't know who this guy come here safe, eh?
No. How about na me they call animal? Eh?
What time I call you before? Eh? Buze, how far now? How about? Eh? If I don't follow this Buze go.
See this girl, if I slap you now, you go shut up. I know very well that they used to have uncompleted building. They used to have uncompleted this thing. And some uncompleted building as a result of shortage of money. You understand? But I have not seen that we used to have uncompleted
See, guys, as in a be like this now, most share this money, come everywhere. It's your time, no day, guys.
I deal with you, man. I deal with you.
More share this money,
Exactly. Fast.
Drop that bag. Drop the bag.
Now for you.
You do the chicken. You see this money? I'm supposed to take lion share.
Lion share, quoi?
Yes.
Are you going to take lion share? And Mama will pay a kodapo yadapo no.
See, this guy. See your guy will just come to that.
Okay, this morning, I am the leader of this criminal group, and I am the one that brought the business. So you people should share this money now and give me my 60%. Let me go my way.
Mama, do you hear this guy?
Me not share this.
Me will grab bag because they don't catch us. I carry bag, log out. If not, they for don't plank us down. They tell me you carry lion share.
Okay, me, what of me? You know the kind of risk with me I take. You think say as I stand that place, they watch when people go enter. And when even a killer go come, you see a small deal. Now very big risk now I take because like say bullet they fly from somewhere. Now me the bullet go first attack. So now me take the highest risk. and me go take the lion share.
Now, give me my 60%, let me go. Let me
How
start
far you
going.
know your guy don't do business same way? How far now? We do 60%. We do 1 take.
Okay, put her hand on you.
See, you now get there now. Carry this money now. Lock out.
You know what you happen? If I don't fight you, when I come make me for house.
See, I just have to carry this thing lock out again. How far now?
Ah,
What else have you
we
share
don't
this
want
money now?
now. When I share this money equal, what did they do?
Yeah? Muse, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from? Let me push.
Mama.
Muse, where are you coming from?
Mama, which can what? You didn't even. I'm just coming in now. You didn't even allow me to arrive properly. You're asking me a question as if you planned the question.
Where are you coming back from?
You see, I don't. In fact, Mama, see, I don't have time for your quarrel this morning. I went to hustle.
You went to hustle.
Yes.
You know, you are now a hustling man.
Yes.
So what do you do now? Can you now look at that?
I do is that I do that. I am doing that. Is doing that. What I do now is that I'm in the street now. As I'm talking to you, as a street boy, I have made it. I'm a big boy.
You're not a big boy.
Yes.
My son is a big boy. Anyway, so I heard that some hoodlums went to Mama Chinwe's house and stole the money her son sent to her for some projects.
Hey, this is really bad. Mama, this is a bad news. Let the son send another money now.
Let her son send another.
Let the son send another money.
If it is you, will you send another money? You can stay also.
Lumps cannot come to my mother's house. I didn't mind.
I know. They said that the elders said that they will consult the chief priest as regards the hoodlums that stole the money.
Are you serious?
No.
So what is going to happen now?
Like I heard also. As I heard that the head of those hoodlums will be cut off, and then their blood will be used for atonement for their sins.
Eh?
Mama,
they are going to kill them. They are going. In fact, Mama, do you know what? I am coming. I'm coming.
Yeah, we just came back.
Yourself, Mama, I'm going to come back now. I'm coming back now.
How about our hustling?
Oh yeah. Mama, I'm coming now.
Hustling man, they are hustling boy. Where are you going back to? Just came.
Mama, hustle not they finish.
Hustle not they finish up here.
You know they finish.
Come and deliver the one Jinata. Oh, hustle not they finish. Okay. I'm not gonna.
Suddenly man I come down, man tell for only you. wine. Many girls they try to wine. They are the wine, you just be wine. Many they try to wine. Jojo, my baby Jojo, my baby Jojo, Jojo.
Nkechi,
What is it?
were you laughing at me? No, I want to know. Were you laughing at me?
Buze, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Who is this?
It's just a village lunatic, so ignore him.
Okay, I'm a village lunatic now, Nkechi. So Nkechi, you looked at me, one village lunatic.
Hey, Buze, what is it? You're going to where you're heading to now, giving her.
Hey, listen. If not for anything, respect this young man standing here. Am I understood?
Where is the man?
I'm the man.
You are the man. You, the man. Hey, men, you have suffered though. Men will not suffer. You, that's men. Come outside now. Get better smoke.
Hey.
Yeah.
Buze, what is this now? What is your problem? What is your problem, Buze? Can you hear?
See. Before I close my eyes and open now, vamos from here.
What's your problem?
Is this man okay?
Baby, ignore him, please.
Nkechi, relax yourself.
Please.
Nkechi, who are you begging? You don't have and it is now that I have confirmed that you don't have a choice. You are begging this man here, this person that called himself a man. You're begging him. Anyway, I don't have much time to waste with you. Thank you. This evening, make sure you meet me at the normal place. So that it has been long I entered.
I have taken enough of your insult. If I close my eye right now and open it, vamos from here. Are you mad?
Which one is giving you morale? Is it this thing back here? Carton. This carton is giving you morale.
My car a carton. Maybe who is this fool?
Baby, ignore him. He's a village lunatic. This man doesn't have sense. Ignore him.
I don't know if you use Kolota to paint it. Your mate used to go for auto base. You use Kolota and use your hand to paint it. Is it what is giving you morale to tell me to get out of here?
Who is this lunatic here?
Ignore him. He's a village clown. This is the way he does all his things. Like this, he's a village clown, so ignore him.
Okay, Nkechi, I am not a village clown. You, I know you're not talking from your right senses because there's no man that will be looking at this breast that will talk normal. So I'm sure that you're not talking from your right senses. Nkechi here has confused you with her cleavages, so you no longer know what you're doing.
Is it really?
Of course.
Really?
Come, you, Nkechi, la hot baby. So of all men in their good doings, you didn't see somebody to deal with, or a wrestler. Onya, look at the way he's doing his hand. Cha. Onya, blood and him. That's if Onya got blood and you go and pick your blood from your mouth.
Please,
I don't understand who is this man.
My brother, are you a boss?
Somebody, how can you know about your name?
Are you a boss?
Get out! Get out of here! What is it?
I think you brought me out here to embarrass me, right?
No. Don't let this.
You have something hidden with this guy. I don't want to tell me.
Come, are you a wrestler? Are you a wrestler? Oh, yeah, can you deal with wrestler? Oh, take this carton out of this place.
Hey, don't even tell me.
Take this carton out of this place. You use auto base to paint your motor. You're using Kolota to paint your boat.
Please,
I will kill you. Are you mad? Come on, my silver is more important to me than this Congo.
You're not happy, you say? You're not happy. You're not happy, Abi. Or we're not happy. You're happy.
Yeah, Enke. It have vibrating, he have vibrating. If vibrating,
you're very stupid.
You lost it.
You're very, very stupid.
You are vibrating. I am telling you now, you are vibrating. If any part of your breast fall out of chamber and enter my mouth, I'll swallow it.
You're a very stupid man.
Keep vibrating. It's coming. This
thing I just did now. I don't have your time. Man, I'm just watch alone. Very stupid man.
I'm a very stupid man. Let one of your breasts now fall out now. I'm a
What are you doing here? Why are you sitting out here? Eh?
Mama, please, let me ask you. What? Don't I have right to sit anywhere I want to sit? Is it not my father's compound? Mama, allow me to think about my life. Allow me to think about my life in peace. Which one is this one now?
Hey, Moses, not thinking about your life. In your life, ain't think about. Eh? I thought you would have been in the street hustling. Like you said, you always hustle.
Mama.
As a hustler, you would have been in the street.
Mama, what's your problem? I'm your problem.
Yes.
You don't have a problem if I'm your problem. You know what I mean? If I am your problem, Mama, you don't have a problem. Because I'm a Chineke boy. I am a Chineke boy, a simple boy in the street hustling for the betterment of himself and his mother and his future children. Let me tell you, Mama. This is my father's compound. Let me have peace. Let me have peace in my father's compound. Let me be hungry.
Did you say peace? Hey, you can't have peace. Now, peace say Ludugogi. A child that said that his mother will not have peace, will not have peace himself. Peace, find out peace. Or Pugogi, so you won't have peace.
Hey. Peace has eluded me a long time ago. Peace, I what sense. Peace, I'm here. Because people surrounding me, happiness is there, joy is there. So if peace elude me, peace, I would. But as I'm talking to you, Mama, I don't have words. I don't have anything to tell you because I know how to handle people like you. So I know how to handle you.
Thief. Eh? Okay, let's do this period. You will look at any. Thief. That's what.
Jennifer, Alice, you know you. Wait. Did you call me a thief?
You are jobless. You don't have any job. Eh? I'm even that thief. Anyone is whether they are better than you. No, they're jobless. Now let me tell you, Vico. I've been back. I'm on I will this morning. Just go to the backyard and collect a hoe with that big hoe and the cutlass and follow me to the farm to harvest our cassava. Because if you refuse to go to the farm with me this morning, then you will not eat in this house today. And from today, continue.
Wait, Mama. So after calling me a thief, after telling me that peace has eluded me, you are telling me to go to the backyard, get a hoe and cutlass, and follow you to the farm. Not just that if I did not follow you to the farm to harvest cassava, I will not eat food in this house. In this house.
I said it. Have you ever brought 1 naira into this house?
Let me ask you. Do you know that song that they used to sing? Bangolo, bango, bangolo, bango, udume, ogene, udume, ogene, onyo manaso, ya, so. Yeah, what? Yes! This one is just small thing that I will do compared to what I will do to you in the hereafter.
Mbuze pushed me down.
No,
Abomination, no.
Abomination.
Hello. Mbuze. Biozumbu, come and lift me up from here.
I should come and lift you up.
Yeah, lift him up.
Jesus Christ.
Come and raise me up from here.
Come to Jesus. Come and raise you up.
If you don't bring me up,
you are not Lazarus. Jesus, come and bring you up.
I will curse you, Mbuze.
Mama, let me tell you. You see this what I did to you now? I will do more of it to you if you don't respect yourself. I will kill you and use your corpse for money rituals.
Mbuze, you pushed me down. Lift me up here from Bwagon. I will curse you.
You will curse me.
I will curse you.
You curse me. Let me tell you, you cannot do anything because I am in peace with my God. Nobody can curse. Who God have?
Come on, bring them the name also.
This cannot break your head. I would have used it now. Make it a bonus.
I'm sorry I did. I'm sorry.
Yes.
How good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, baby.
Well, I went to check my drafts. Yep.
Okay.
Tell me, you missed me?
I missed that reason why I started looking for you.
Of course I missed you. Do I have a reason why not to miss you?
You miss me, and that is how true that you miss me.
Okay, I miss you. Whoa. You know what? Okay, hold on. A better way to show you that I miss you. I'm going to drop one gunshot for you. Give me. Grab it. Hold it. Got it. Adaku.
Hey.
This one you are happy. Hope all is well.
No.
I'm back. Get it?
I'm fine.
Good. Okay. Mana ọ na-abịara alụ ọbịaba. Ka abụ ọmụta ọgbọkanarị ka echeta amụlị. You are looking very happy. I don't know. There's something.
Yeah. Somebody not be happy. His happiness not free.
Free.
I just woke up with it now. I just believe that today is a good day.
I believe. You know, you don't know when I left. I went to do some work in the farm, so as to know whether we are going to get something to eat now, you know, it's only me and you.
It's one the more.
So that is.
I know you are very hungry. Let me go and bring your food for you.
You have already prepared food. It's Chegoli.
Yeah. Just sit and wait for me, yeah? Let me go and bring your food.
This one, you are very. No problem. Who am I? What to do?
Okay, let me get your favorite too.
My daughter. I want you to change your life this time.
Change my life.
Yes.
Your lifestyle, Papa. I am not doing anything wrong. All these people, they're just accusing me wrongly.
You see, my daughter, please, what your father is telling you is the truth. What he says is the truth. I don't want you to spoil your name and the name of this family, people, mom. Please.
Is it my wife talking this?
Nine. What you are saying is the truth now.
Truth?
Yes.
This is the only time you have agreed to accept what I said.
My husband, don't mind me.
Papa, Mama, I have heard what you people have said. And I'll put it into practice.
Good.
I have to be on my way now.
On your way to where?
I'm going out. I should I tell you I'm going to see.
Get you with this attire.
Let me go inside.
Mbuze, what is it, Ogene?
Why is it that every time I come close to you, that is when you decide to be stubborn? Can't you free yourself for once? Free yourself and allow yourself to be used, to be yourself. What's your problem?
Mbuze, because please, I beg you in the name of God. Please leave me alone. Hapunu mako Ogene.
Me, let you be. Am I stupid? Are they crazy? See, let me tell you, I cannot let you be until I go to that promised land. Okay, on talk.
Promised land, okay? You, me and you that you not enter the promised land now.
You didn't get Moses. It is only Moses that God said you will not enter promised land. You can only see it. So I'm not Moses, I'm Mbuze, the Russian striker. So I'll go.
Mbuze, come and eat. Come. I'm giving you this Jerusalem. Jerusalem, enter inside it. Enter. What is it?
Any day I will decide to enter this Jerusalem, first of all, I'm going to use Omo, Hypo, Kabad, acid, Vim to clean the place. Kerosene, fuel, soak it for 1 week. Then now come back after to come and mop it and clean it. Jerusalem that does not have an amusement park, what am I going there to do?
Adako, please close this leg well. Mbuze, go and help yourself and leave her alone. Come and take this one, Ejo. Leave her.
I should go and help myself. That's him got bancha. Or banje. Elebisi dabata. Where did you dabata from? Nonsense. Also, come and take this one.
Please, see Choma, I don't have time for all this thing, Please, I'm going to the stream,
Don't worry, I will escort you before this rapist rape you.
Thank you, my sister.
You're calling me a rapist because I did not allow you to rape me. You're calling me a rapist. Akwange, Anabong Choma, they call you Choma or Chojo, whatever you are being called. In this village, one day I will declare myself drunk and bounce on you. What I will do to you that day, that is you will not like yourself. From nowhere, Choma, let me tell you, you have said that good thing that is coming to me, you use umbrella to cover it. That is how heaven is going to use canopy to cover good thing that is coming to you. Watch and see. Sense. Adak, you to have sense. You don't want to have sense. So what? I want name one 1-3. Finish. I am chop. Mbera guzo na ase. Konya mama. Eju. No problem.
This girl we've been waiting for since. Is she worth it?
Of course she's worth it. I like her. And I'm sure you like her when you see her too.
Okay. This one you already liked her. Okay. I hope I like her too.
Don't worry. You like her because I like her.
Okay. That's sweet.
Maybe you have to go.
No. Let's go home. Some other time we'll come and wait for her.
Are you? This one that you're outside making up. Are you planning to go out?
I am rushing. I want to rush for a meeting. I'm almost late. I want to get done with this.
I want to go and see my friends. I will come back shortly.
Make sure you come back fast and look after the house. Let me.
Let's go.
I get this cloth here. You want that to me? Hey, Chimu, keep on that go. No, about motor. This boy has taken me. What are you doing now? Moses! Hey, what has he not done to me? What has he? What about motor? What about motor? Who for Panja Apple? Who for Pamo? Who for Pamo? Hey, Chimu. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Shooks, let me tell you something. And got his own share of money.
So can you hear yourself? I thought I've settled you. So why are you drinking Panadol in another person's head?
I know I've gotten my own, which they have suspected.
This secret I have, I swear I will come for you.
I won't. I don't know about you won't. Better be careful. I don't know what else to tell you again. Believe it. You want to join me? Open me powers. Get out of here.
What have I done to you? What have I done to you?
Nothing.
Where have I gone wrong, Omuze?
Nowhere.
Where is my rapper?
Which rapper?
Can I permit you? Where is my rapper?
Which of the clothes? Because I know you have two rappers. Which of the rapper are you talking about?
I have one rapper. One good rapper. Did I go to church with? One good rapper that I attend the women's meetings with.
One good rapper did I take burials with Ofwakwa.
Mama, you see what I'm saying? Because that rapper in particular has always led you to burials. I said no. How can this rapper be making my mother go for burials instead of something important? What do I need to do? The rapper called me and said, boy, I said yes. He said, your mother has used me too much for burials and I don't like it. Can you save my life? I said, yes, I will save your life and the life of my mother. He said, okay, save it now. I had to take the rapper away so that you can stop going for burials. Mama, because the way this burial attending is doing to you now because of that rapper, one day you will use that rapper and come for my burial. I said, no, instead of my mother to continue going for burials. Go! Go! It shall be well with you, rapper! Go! And the rapper went.
Have you sold my clothes?
I didn't sold your clothes. I didn't sold it.
Where is it?
The clothes, I didn't sold it.
Hey!
I kept it. I rented.
Where I get my clothes? You go more top. You say you have naked me.
Mama, we came to this world naked.
Naked me, because you go more top over.
Mama, see, we came to this world naked. We are living this world naked. Even Jesus, the general overseer, was naked on the cross of Calvary. So what are you? Which one is naked? Because
you don't have conscience. So.
I don't have conscience.
With you. It will not be well with you.
Are you laying curse on me or curse on you?
I've cursed you.
From which university? Which university did you curse?
I cursed you already.
Do the curse.
Baby, you're sweating. Why are you sweating so much?
Just the weather.
The weather is kind of hot today, you know?
Yeah, I just wish you could have somewhere chilling.
You. Okay, let me guess. Somewhere chilling like a hotel room.
I knew it.
I know what you like.
You're bad.
So, the thing here is that I can't wait to explore with you. You know, take you to Cloud 9. With all of this. With all of this with you.
Hey, let me see something here, you know.
What?
Are you sure your friends are not jealous over something? Friends are looking at us. I hope they are not jealous.
We are not, you know. Don't be jealous. Don't be, I know my friends. Take you to Cloud 9, you know, explore with you. Just for you, all of this.
Hey.
Just for you.
Hey, I'm happy. Let's get out of here.
Girls, let's go. You guys are okay, right? Yes. I just feel bad.
You're welcome.
I'm very happy that you have paid up all your debts.
I am very happy too, my sister. Though it was not easy at all. Hi! It was not easy, my friend.
I know that one day God will remember you.
Amen. Amen. If only Buze will allow me. He does not give me peace at all. Do you know that I can't eat in peace? I cannot do anything without thinking what my son is coming up with next. I virtually live in fears. If he continues like this, Obioma, he will kill me.
Take it easy. Take it easy before you develop BP.
I have already developed BP. I have BP now.
Buze will not kill you unless you allow him to kill you.
What do I do?
Now you are talking. I think you should go and report him to the elders. Then the youth will pick him up. After that, they will beat him. I think that will change him.
This alone will kill me. What will I be doing seeing my son being beaten up? They will beat him up. After beating him, now they will lock him. What will I be doing seeing him in such pains? No. That alone will kill me. Is there no other way? Please.
Ijoma, my friend, we are here thinking about the solution to your son's stupidity. And you are telling me that you can't do it. Okay.
Please, there must be other ways. Let there be other ways one name.
It's the only son I have. It's the only child I have. Papa.
Are you Oh my goodness. I'm tired of walking now.
I know. You're almost close. My car is just from there.
You're not to suffer.
I know.
Just walking on that is
No, it's part of exercise too.
Which kind of exercise? I think it's a good exercise.
My daughter. Yes, I want you to be careful. Nam se onu to akinu, the other no. I went on investigation and find out that boy you are going out with is not what you think he is.
Papa, what is it? Papa, what is all this? Why have you decided to be pouring sand inside my garri all the time? Did I offend you in any way?
You did not offend me, my daughter. I'm only looking out for you.
Papa, please. Papa, please. Stop looking out for me. I am no longer a kid. I'm no longer a small girl, so I can take care of myself. I'm matured enough to take care of myself.
So you think you are grown enough to take care of yourself?
Stop looking out for me, Biko.
If you say so, my daughter, just be very careful. I warn you.
Be careful. Papa, I'm careful, so stop looking out for me.
Children of these days. I warn you, my daughter.
Excuse me. Sorry. Are you calling me? Yes. I'm sorry, please.
It's okay.
My name is Afam.
Okay. Okay.
Afam Isimili.
Okay.
I am from the neighboring village. So I came here to see my aunt, and she's not always at home. So I go about to hustle.
Oh, really? I see. So, if I may ask, what do you do for a living? What are you trying to say?
I am a hunter, and anytime I see animals anywhere, I just shoot. I kill animals for a living.
That's good. That's good. That means you must be very hardworking.
Yeah. And that's what people say about my kind of work. If that's a compliment, thank you.
You're welcome.
You didn't tell me your name.
That's because you didn't ask.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
So?
My name is Nkechi.
Nkechi. Wow. Beautiful name.
Thank you. Thank you. And you're good looking as well.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have a confession to make.
Okay.
I've been following you.
Really?
Yeah. I've been following you. I even follow you to your place at times, but you don't know.
I use my house. How did you get to know my house?
It's a small world.
It's a small world indeed.
So I want you to. I want us to be friends. Then you be my lady friend, very close friend.
I see. Are you asking me out indirectly?
It's okay. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. What is he doing with Nkechi? Hungry? Oh. What is it?
Akwangi.
You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Same here. Thank you.
What is it again? I thought I've told you to leave me alone in this village. Eh? I told you that the next time that you will stop me to say any rubbish or any nonsense, that you'll be beaten and be jailed. Oh, look at
you! See, let me tell you, I was actually coming to your house. I was coming to your house to come and give you the latest good news about your hunter boyfriend.
My hunter boyfriend? You mean Afam? What happened to him?
Okay, you want to know? You want to know what happened to him? Okay, let me ask you. What are you going to give me if I should break this information, this good news to you? What are you going to give to me?
Be serious for once now. Tell me now, what is it? You
don't want to give me anything, Abby? You don't want to give me anything? I am a good man. I am not a money monger. I am not a greedy human being. I am going to break the news to you peacefully and free of charge. See, I saw your hunter boyfriend. I saw him with the national international cake in the name of Nkechi. If you see the way they were, I saw them by the bush corner. They were holding like this. No, I just want to experiment what I saw now so that you will understand what I'm talking about now.
What's happened? No, nothing happened.
There's no problem. Okay, let me not tell you now. Let me not tell you the latest one. You think that there's no problem? I saw them by the bush corner. If you see the way they were kissing each other and romancing each other, it was my voice that they heard. When they heard, the minute they heard my voice, they stopped kissing. And you're telling me there's no problem with it?
Hey. Where did you see them? Where? Hi, Afa. Hi, okay. Hi.
I don't know, Mobia.
Hi. Hi.
Mobia. Which way, Nigeria now? Which way, Nigeria now? Which way? Idiot. I'm over here. You don't have sense. I am here dying for you. Instead of you to die for me too, so that they will come to our own burial at the same time. I'm dying for you. You left me who is dying for you, and you're dying for another person. Who is dying for another person? You have sense. In a sense. Instead of you to die for me the way I am dying for you, so that people will come to our burial the same time. December, you won't die for somebody who is dying for you. You're dying for somebody who another person is dying for another person. In a sense, you don't have sense. You're senseless. In an ear, senses are senses in one ear. Senseless is less, senseless is on him. Baga. Nonsense. You see? Didn't I tell you? Give me something, Geju. Give me something, Geju. Give me, Geju. Give me, Geju. You were giving it to somebody who was busy loving another person. But look at you now, you're here crying. It's you. Of course, you don't have my time. I will leave you alone. But see, let me tell you, anytime after now that you need somebody to talk to, don't fear, don't be afraid to come to me. I am a changed person. You can come to me. I will, be afraid. You understand? Anan, let me leave you. Happy crying. Happy. I like that tone now. Use auto. Use Dombrimo. Supremo. Correct. Now this one you're using now is terrible. Terrible. Use auto. Oh, I love the auto. The auto is nice. Keep auto-ing. Keep auto-ing. I love the auto. I love the auto. I love you. Thank you. I love the auto. Please, I didn't do anything. I'm like this now. I'm a repentant person. I didn't. Please don't harm me. Forgive me.
For you. We don't even know you.
You're not here for me. So why were you following me like police?
Come here. We're not here for you. We're here for one person. You name what the name Chooks.
Chooks? Yes. I don't even know who is Chooks. I'm an ordinary town crier. I don't know who is Chooks. Sir?
Come here. Come close.
I don't know anybody.
Come closer.
Who know this person?
Ha! I know him. I know this boy. This boy duped me of my. In fact, this boy duped me. I know him very well.
He duped you. What did he dupe you for?
This boy duped me of my girlfriend and collected my 2 million naira. I ran away.
He duped you?
Yes, sir.
Your girlfriend and your 2 million naira?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the guy is in this town?
I'm not sure. Because he took away my girlfriend into a different town that I can't even. I don't even know the part of this thing he took my girlfriend to. But what I know is that this boy here duped me of my girlfriend, collected my 2 million naira and scampered. Took my girlfriend to a neighboring village, went there and established.
One day, yeah.
Come, I must call you.
They call you.
Calm down. See, how do I contact you? Should in case you see him around, I need to get your contact.
I don't even have a SIM card. Sorry, I don't have a phone.
Big boy like you don't have a phone. Same with phone. What's in them? You don't have phone.
I don't have phone.
Hold on. Just come down. Hold this money. Follow me. Enter this car. Let me go and buy you phone and SIM card. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, you don't have. I'll be very glad. Okay.
Buze!
Mama!
Who gave you that phone? Where did you get it from?
Mama, did you see network? Did you see network?
Who gave you that phone?
What kind of a question is that one? Which one is who gave me phone? I'm a big boy. I have made money. I bought this phone with my money.
Sit, I want us to talk.
What do you mean?
What's the network, Adele?
Talk, I'm listening.
Since I asked you to stay away from the Adako, I hope you are not getting anywhere close to where she is.
Mama, if not that you're my mother, for this question that you asked me now, if not that you're my mother, how can you say that me going after Ada? Mama, I am a big boy and I have money. Girls rush me. Of which Adak is one of the girls that rushes me. So why will I go after Adak? Until which level now? With all this money, I'll be going to stoop solo to go to Adak. No.
Yes, I'm not rushing you.
I'm telling you.
Why will Adak rush you?
That guy that used to give her morale, that guy that used to make her feel younger, do opunga, the guy left her from kitchen. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Oh, the guy has left Adak.
A long time ago.
But oh my God.
Just in case.
But still, Mbuze, my son, I don't want you to have anything to do with Adak. Just stay away from her because.
Mama, rest assured that I'm a big boy. Nothing is going to happen to me. You understand? I'm safe. Mama, I asked you before, did you see network pass here? I've been looking for it.
I did not.
You didn't see? Mama, do you know in my phone na Trump? In my Trump? Do you know the phone na isolatory?
Because my phone, what is the name?
The name of this phone is
Techno.
Mba. I have phone now. Mamo. But then when it work, I heard you from Mamo.
I don't understand. Adaku, why are you following me? Why are you disturbing me?
Wait, no.
What is it?
It's not as if I'm disturbing you or I'm following you up. Just that I want to know how you are doing.
Adaku, I am fine. So can you go back now? Can you now leave? Can you leave me alone?
I want to go to I want to hunt with you.
Okay, if you want to follow me to hunt, so where is the hunting tools? Are you going to hunt with bare hands?
Is it that one? Look at your own now. Make use of your own. Make use of your own. We share it, man. We share it.
Adaku, you're difficult, Adaku.
Is that yes?
Adaku, you're difficult, Adaku. Adaku, you're difficult, Adaku.
Is that yes?
Okay, fine. You want to learn how to hunt?
Yes.
So I'll teach you. Let's go.
Wait, where did you get this picture from?
That's the point.
I don't even have this picture on my phone.
Oh, that is the point. That should tell you how mysterious it is. That I was going in some group of men, I've been waiting. They just stopped me and showed me your picture and asked me if I know you.
Are you saying that AD camp boss they are in town?
The Chris wanted me.
See, did you see? What I meant was, if you see AD camp boss, I don't understand what is going on now. Did you see them?
Would they fight? You know who that? When I spoke that time, do I speak Swahili? Was it French you heard me spoke? I said I was walking along the road. These men, some men, just I saw one motor, they stopped in front of me. Before you know it, they came down. Hey, I said, what is it? He showed me your picture and asked me if I know you. I told him I don't know you. Don't even know where you are from. I've not seen this face before.
Are you sure? Did you tell them anything? Like where I am or if I'm in town?
They asked me if you are around. I told them no, that as a matter of fact, you duped me of my girlfriend. You took her away from me and even my 2 million naira. After then, I didn't see you again. In fact, I even advised them to go to the neighboring town to go and look for you there.
I never knew you have sense like this. Hey, correct guy. See. I promise you, I've been setting you for life. Just calm down. Guess what? See, ask you. I'm not sleep now. Time again, time for nobody. The other go. See, let that go. Just you don't see me. I'm not even there. I don't travel. You understand?
Hey!
Bad guy.
Look at you. You feel like don't repent. This is how thunder will fire you one day. Somebody will come and ask me, do you know the thunder that fired him? I'll not say no. I don't know. But this will picture fine passing you. Sure, say na be this.
Friend. Ada. Hey, thank you. This month is very chill though. As if you know. The weather is very hot. Very hot.
How are you doing now? How is Mama?
Mama is fine now. You know her and her wahala.
She's there. She's at home. My dear, those people, once they go like that, their problem increases.
I'm telling you.
From one issue to the other. Me, I have to leave the house to have my peace of mind.
I understand, my dear.
Hey, my friend. I invited you here for something very important.
Yes.
So what is it? Is this our friendship with Nkechi?
Is anything wrong?
I'm tired. I mean, nothing good is just coming out of it.
How? How do you mean?
Babe, take a good look at us now. We just wear these things. And then, one idiot sleeps with us and pays us off just like that. Are you not thinking about it?
And I know. I already know what this is, but I want to just tell me what exactly is your point. Hit the nail on the head.
See, I think we are indirectly doing prostitution without knowing it. I don't understand this thing.
Hey, Ada, do you know I never thought of this from this angle? Hey, Chimo.
See, that is not even the one that is paining me. That one is not even the one that is giving me sleepless nights.
No.
The one that is paining me in my heart is the fact that someone else is busy collecting. What am I even saying collecting? I mean, busy making money on our heads.
Hey, Ada, you've come again. Which one is someone making money? Like, who is making the money?
Babe, Nkechi.
Our own Nkechi.
Babe, those niggas are paying Nkechi. They are paying her heavily on our heads, babe. And then at the end of the day, they give us just like 2,000 naira and we are happy. And then we are happy. We start walking on the streets like we are queens or something. These guys are using our heads. Just think.
Hey! Ada, I'm coming.
Where are you going to?
What is it? Why are you disturbing my life? What is it? What do you want?
Man, I stop listening you're saying now.
What are you talking about?
Which nonsense am I talking about? Mama, I did not steal your money. I didn't steal your money.
You stole it!
I did not steal your money. I only took your money away. I didn't take it. I took your money away.
Is it your own?
Mama, why wouldn't I take it away? Am I not your son?
No, give it to me.
Why did you give birth to me, Mama, if you don't like me?
Did I give birth to you so that you be stealing my money?
I did not steal your money. I only did take away. I take away, took away your...
Good afternoon.
Hey, Jack. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Who is it?
Okay, this is Jack. Meet my sweet mother.
My sweet mother. Please give me my money because
happy to meet you.
Happy to meet you. Happy to see you too. Tell him to give me my money.
Ejike.
Give me my money, no.
Man, you said for good.
Boss, I think I'm waiting for you. Let's go.
Jack. Let us go and discuss one or two. Let's discuss.
After discussing this, I will free you today. I will not leave you today. You must give me my money. You must give me my money.
Let's go and discuss it.
This person, I don't just play for me this place that I'm going now. Let me make it food.
Just go here. Oh, you are not scared. Don't cross that gate, so don't go far from here. Just tell him whatever thing you want to tell him and bring yourself back. Let's continue from where we stopped. If you go to mad, no. I hope nothing is wrong, go. I'm waiting for you here.
Ashawo, Adeze and Nini, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this rubbish?
So, you have the mind, the guts, the mind to trade us for money, okay?
Hey, God.
How do you mean?
Girl. He didn't feel sit or sit down. How do you mean?
Oh, yeah. She's even acting as if she doesn't know what you're talking about.
Imagine.
Nkechi, what Mimi is saying is that you, Nkechi, that we thought you were our friend, you have the mind to give us out to men, all in the name of big girls and collect money on our heads. Hey!
Oh, that. Is that the reason why you girls are causing this drama here? Hey! Is that the reason why you're causing this drama here? Answer me.
She's not even denying it, Adeze. She's not even denying it. Hey!
Just shut up your mouth, village girl. Shut up your mouth. What do you know?
Nah,
village girl. Well, let me find a way to compensate you girls because I go do now. Let me see the way I can give you girls money to touch up your life.
You are very stupid.
No.
Nkechi, you are very, very stupid.
Hey.
So we thought you are a friend. And then you have the mind to turn us into prostitutes. Right?
Village girl. It is not called prostitute. It is called bronze girl. What is prostitute? Local girl.
Let's teach this girl some manners. Let's beat her up. Just imagine the guts.
Shut up. I dare you. Also, I dare you.
Oh.
You just have mouth. Let's teach this girl and lesson. I dare you. Try it. Let me see.
Who do you even think you are? No, can you tell me now? Who do you think you are? A semi-god or something? You dare not. Who do you think you are?
Hey. Touch me now. Why are you girls still talking? Touch me.
Let's show this girl what village girls can do.
Touch me.
Let's show her that these are dancing breasts. You just for decoration.
On a way. But touch me.
Leave her. Just leave her. But Nkechi, let me warn you. Let this be the first and last time you ever in your miserable life cross our path. You.
Hey,
and one more thing. One day, Nkechi, you meet your doom. Please
get out. Go and have your bath. Get out. Get out. Get out. Rubbish. Rubbish. You have distracted my call right now. Let the hell.
Die!
boss.
Any good news?
Boss, there's no good news. So. Boss, I don't even know if this guy is a half human being and half spirit. Do you know that this guy, if I see this guy, no, the moment I will dip my hand in my pocket to bring out my phone to call you, this guy will disappear. Sometimes I wonder if this person is a human being or a spirit.
Do you want to tell me that he's using jazz?
Boss, do you know I'm seeing that guy? That guy is not using jazz. That guy is jazz himself. Imagine somebody that I will see now, before I die, put my hand inside my pocket to bring out my phone. I'm going to the guy will disappear. And you see that boy use jazz. He doesn't use jazz. That boy is jazz himself. Or that guy, in fact, he's jazz himself. But do you know what? You don't have to worry yourself. I have planted my boys here and there. I have mounted them surveillance. Anywhere they come across him, anywhere they see him, they will just alert me. And I will alert you. So that you come and, do this thing at once.
I'm counting on you.
It's okay, boss.
Ejike.
Boss.
Find him something. Let's go.
Ejai, he said you should find me something.
Take this thing out, go and...
He said you should find me something. This is 1,000 naira. Make it 2.
Go, I will. We're meeting.
My mother's breast is 2. That's very 2. Boss, give me 1,000. This is how God will give you 1,000. That is the case. According to God, give me 1,000. God is going to give me 1,000. And this 1,000 friends, I think that's more than 1,000. Only more 2,000.
Hold me now. Hold me. This is all yours. Hold me. You're such a shy guy. Afam! Chimo. Hey! Afam! Hey. So this thing that this guy told me is true. Hi!
But Adaku, you just startled me.
Afam, I startled you. Afam, I love you. Afam, I love you. And I've shown it to you. Can't you see? Hi! Who is this? Afam, who is this? Who the hell are you? I'm talking to you. Who the hell are you? Close your mouth for you, because don't even shut up, because I'm not here for you. Hey.
Enough of all these things you people are doing right now, please. Enough of it. Adaku, I never knew you loved me this much to come this far. I didn't know.
Afam.
I thought you were just friends. That you just see. I like you as a friend, and that's how I see you. I never knew you have this sort of feelings for me.
Afam, I love you so much. I love you from the bottom of my heart. After the last time you saved me from that trouble, I close my eyes, all I see is you. Everything I'm doing, if I'm sleeping, I'm seeing only Afam. And I say to myself, no matter how rich or poor you are, I'm going to love you for the rest of my life. I even went as far as getting this super just to look good for you. Afam, can't you see? What Afam, what is going on here? Can someone explain to me what is going on here? Listen, let me tell you something, Adako, whatever you call yourself. You see this love speech you're here giving, it's not going to work on Afam. It is not going to work on him. Afam here, he's my man, and mine alone. So if at all Afam needs a love speech to be given to him, me Nkechi, I am enough. I can give it to him as many as he wants. So you're not needed here. Hey, who did dear? I am not here for you, mind you. This girl is insulting. And moreover, I'm not giving speech. Really? I'm not giving any love speech. Really? I'm only pouring out my love to you. Afam, can't you see? I've poured everything to you. I've shown it to you. I've done everything I can do to have you.
But there is no problem. Since you have chosen her over me, there is no problem. I'm leaving.
Exactly, leave. Don't make me say that, poor. Look at this local girl that can't even speak fluently. And he's here. She's here. She wants to drive her farm with me. Eh? Hey, they never born you well. Baby, please come. Baby, ignore her. I'm here for you. Look now, you have all this to yourself. Baby, look at me. This girl has nothing. What is it now? See, all of this is for you. Please. I know you like it. I know what you want. She doesn't know what you want. Baby, what is it now? Hold me. This girl is nothing.
So I'm going to kill someone. God, please help me. What do I do now? Should I run? No, this will not catch me. If I run, they're going to catch me. And if they catch me,
Mbuze.
Mama, stop calling me that name. Mbuze.
What is wrong with you?
Whenever you call me that name, fear grips me. I become so afraid.
Mbuze, I have never seen you afraid of anything before. So what is it? You have to tell me if it's something I can help you out with. Then I'll do it. What is it?
Help!
No. You're getting me scared. Eh? Or is it one of your tricks?
Mama, this is not a trick.
What is it?
Yes. Wait there. Yes, yes. Wait there. Adako, or whatever you call yourself.
I am here to warn you. I am here to give you a serious warning. Stay away from our farm. Stay away from our farm. He's my man. And mine alone. And I'm not into dragging with anybody, not to talk of a low life like you. Stay away from him.
Nkita. Ibosigo?
My boss.
Ibosigo?
And I'm Ichegi.
So, you think at the back of your mind that Afam is the type of man that you toy around with Okuya?
Eziokwu.
You told him you will not make Eziokwu.
Eziokwu. Listen, let me tell you something one way, guy. I am not afraid to lose Afam. Cha, because I know I cannot lose him. He's my type of man. And I have all it takes to hold him. I have all it takes to keep him intact. I am just here to warn you. Because make it as before I will beat you blue, black and yellow in this village. I am here to warn you. Stay away from him. Last one in Kaninayege. Makandu go.
How? Adako. Atala Munshiabuki. So, at the back of your mind, you are even afraid of losing that farm to me. Hey! And you think you have all he wants in a woman. You think you have it all. Chenombueli, ala, balada. But let me just tell you something you don't know. You see that place you're coming from? That house, who now is to put out if there is any? Go back to that place. You keep a standing mirror. I mean standing mirror. If you don't have, let me borrow you one. You keep it and look at yourself from head to toe, front and back. Look at yourself. And you tell yourself the truth.
Do you have money to buy mirror? On one way, have you?
You say, I've been calling you, and the HK here have been calling you too. And you are not picking our calls. Why?
Boss, my phone. I took my phone to the phone was the place that we are. I took it to where they are charging it.
I see. Mbuze, enter this car. We are going to somewhere.
Ebe.
Do what in boss tell you, na enter motor, where they go.
This is your phone. I don't want to again. Take it. I'm not going anywhere.
Mbuze, don't make me repeat myself again, else I will shoot you. Enter this car. We are going to somewhere.
Take your phone now. I said I take your phone. I don't want the phone again.
Ejike, get me my gun.
Come on, enter this car. Enter motor, come here now. What are you pushing? Enter motor, move now. Enter motor now. Então, não, pegou, não, vou ficar aqui.
Take this thing. Take.
Sir, boss, I washed my hand before I came.
Take this thing now. Collect this thing from me now.
Yes, I washed my hand before I came to this place. Take this thing.
Mbuze, collect this thing from me. This is an oath that will bind us together. If you betray us, you die. Drink it.
Sir, boss, see, I will not betray you, I will not betray anybody. I will do as you say. I'm telling you from my heart. I will be loyal always. Please, thank you.
I believe you, but you must take the oath, else I will shoot you to death. Drink it now.
Is it?
Drink it now.
Yeah,
no.
You won't die. Take this thing. I won't die. Drink this thing.
I don't have time for that malaria. So I treated it without option the other day. I don't have another one. Please.
It's not malaria or typhoid medicine.
What is it? What?
Wonder.
It's a wonder. Only this thing here. Take this thing here.
Drink this thing now!
Drink it.
you.
You too. You too.
Be very careful.
You too. Be careful. You too. I don't know if the day your father impregnated your mother, yeah, I think one day they really have you.
Chooks. Are you surprised? Surprise.
Don't you were dead.
But I did not die. I told you to settle. And what makes you think you're smarter than me? Eh? I told you to settle everyone, but you took everything to yourself.
It's not like that. I understand. Boss, I promise I will settle you people. Please, your money is still intact. Just sort this out, please, boss, please.
It's too late.
Boss, please, don't say this now.
I said it's too late.
Boss.
HK.
I don't hear me. Please.
Go to hell. Move. Come on. Go to hell. Greedy wolf.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, please, can I talk to you?
You want to talk to me? What's up?
As I was passing by, heaven spoke to me and said that you have connection with bad men, with bad people, bad men.
Bad men?
Yes.
Me?
And the Spirit of the Lord ministered to me and said that they will call you on phone, but don't answer them. They will offer you money, but don't collect it.
That is, you are saying that somebody will call me on phone to offer me money. I should not collect. Eh?
So it's very dangerous.
Okay.
Please do not go or answer them.
May I ask you no verse? They send you. Eh? See, let me tell you. Money itself, where to get money is always dangerous. And me, I can take care of myself. So go and tell your heaven, tell your father that Mbuze, the erosion striker, erosion controller, I can take care of myself properly.
Mbuze, I will advise you to listen to the voice of the Lord.
Come, they send you. Come on for this place. Look at the way I am now that I'm looking for money from every corner. Somebody will call me to offer me money. I will say because you said I should not go. I won't go and take the money. My sister, continue your journey.
Please don't say I did not tell you.
I will not say. So this is the kind of thing you wear to preaching. You want to go and preach, you wear things like this. And you call yourself a son of a child, a preacher of a student, God speaking like this, and you wear things like this. See, let me tell you, you are a seducer. But you see me, you can't get me. I have covered mine with the blood of Jesus, with the iron gate, which come.
Wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like serious bicycle. How can I belittle myself to drag man with Adako? One ban she Adako. Adako will never bar finish. Eh? When men are everywhere, left, right, center, tall, handsome, ndị ji ego na-esi isi. Eh? And I'm here, fighting over one low life. I can't even afford 1 square meal a day. Get you the fuck up. You fuck up big time. You fuck up. And I had the ban. Let me call Chooks. Chooks, my darling. Who can you cash? Who can name me about the mama? Eh? Man with the big something. Let me call you. Let me know if you can take me out this night. No, I can't sit in Abanya. I hope his number will connect. Hello, baby.
I hope she's coming.
Yes, sir. She's coming.
Good. Have you done the transaction?
No, sir.
What are you still waiting for? What are you still waiting for? Who this guy, boss? What?
Look at me. Just look at me. Any shit, I'll blow your motherfucking head. Hope you know me well.
He never know. He never know. He never know.
You are very stupid.
Masangu this guy. Masangu this guy.
I will do it because I'm one guy. I will do it. One.
You sounded very urgent.
Yes, I called you. And it is very, very urgent. I am here to tell you that we're done, Afamifuna. Yes, we're done.
Go.
Hey, I'm still talking. I am done with you. So you can... I can't even imagine myself dragging you with a low life like Adako. Adako na Sabelaro. That waking girl that calls herself Adako. Dragging you with her. I am done with you.
Whatever the problem is, I think I can explain. If there's anything you want me to explain to you, I can do that.
Shut up. Afamifuna, you're a pig. You're a nobody, Afamifuna. You stink in a CC. The same clothes since I met you, Afamifuna. The same clothes. You've not even have you had your bath? Can't you get again? Have you had your bath? From Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the same clothes. I don't know if you live in this bush. Do you have a house? Answer me, do you have a house? Because you stink. You know how Saru. So I can't imagine myself in Kechi being with a low life like you. Inani, as you can see, NK baby is well dressed to go and meet that man. I can take care of all of this package. You understand? I can take care of all of this.
We can sort it out, please. I can explain if there's any problem at all. I beg you, please.
Can you give me 100,000 naira? No, let me think twice. Can you give me 100,000 naira? You can't. Sifugore, it's late, guy. So I am done with you. If Radako, your village in Weke, you can go and run to her. Hug her, embrace her, the both of you fit each other. The both of you fit each other. As one Kechi, I am done with you. and I am leaving this place, you can go and call Adaku. What rubbish! Slinging me sim na kokopo. Nonsense. Get. I don't even know what I'm doing here with a low life like you. Look at where somebody lives. In a bush. You know, yesterday when you always good.
I'm fine, oh. Where are you going now?
I don't even know where I'm heading.
Yeah.
Nkechi just insulted me this afternoon. Nkechi called me all manner of names. She baited me with insults. Nkechi went ahead and looked me into my face and referred to me as a low lifer. She said I can never amount to anything.
Do you know what? Those things that Nkechi called you. Don't mind her. You know she have bad mouths now. All those names that she called you, you are not in any way related to those names. Bikokwa, do you know you are every woman's dream. You have what it takes now. You have all the quality every woman is looking for in a man. Look of your clothes. This one, here. There's nothing wrong with your clothes now. Smell, you're not smelling. Because if you are not her class, you change your school. But I'm seeing you on top of every classes now. Now. And you know what? Your mom will be very proud of you. Wherever she is, she will be happy. I have a son. Afam is my son. She'll be very happy now. You are here thinking of what Nkechi told you. Nkechi with her bad mouth. Please don't even go there, Bikokwa. Come here, strawberry. Yeah. Afam. What's happened now? Why are you laughing?
I mean, it's nothing. You just gladdened my heart. Like you see, I thought I was already having a very bad day. You know, Nkechi just spoiled my day, but you just changed everything. You're making me laugh. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate. Thank you.
That one. Don't mind Nkechi Biko. You're welcome. So at least now that I can see you are happy. You are happy now, Abi. So can you now tell me where you are going? At least I know you will now remember where you are going. So can you now tell me where you are going?
Yes, I do. I do. I know where I'm heading.
It's good that you know where you're going.
I am heading to your heart. Adaku, please, let me take care of you. Please, permit me. Let me nurse this heart of yours.
Wait. Let me get this straight. Wait, please, let me just ask. Is it because Nkechi left you? You now realize that someone like Adaku is existing?
No, you're mistaken. I am telling you the truth. You see, there comes a time in life where life proves to us what really matters. I want to be with you. Please.
I'm fine. It's not that I don't love you. It's not that I don't love you. I love you. You are every woman's dream. Your look, your appearance, everything. Just that I'm scared. I'm scared I don't know if you're for real or just want to use me.
No. You don't have to say that. No. Now I realize I love you. You're the best. You're the best for me. Please. Oh.
So Mbuze, you know his whereabouts and you've been lying to me.
But I don't know. They are chooks. Chooks, have you not been hiding from me? Haven't I been looking for you and you've been hiding from me? Chooks, talk something.
It's not like that. No, it's not like that.
So Chooks, you can be this sober. It's not like that.
You can't talk.
Chooks!
You can't talk again. The time will be dege. The pose. Eh? Come, see. I want to know something. Among two of you, who is saying the truth?
Sir, I'm a truth teller. I am. Yeah. Are you mad? You want to raise your hand to answer a question as if you're in the classroom. Chooks, shut up.
Leave me alone.
What will happen like us? Sir, I'm Akwangi. So you cannot be humble. You know you can. Front of car, cannot longer enter front of car. You cannot longer now. You Alarm!
Ejike, get that boy. Get him. You are very stupid, are you?
Where is he? You can just disappear. Damn it! Fuck! Boss.
Are you been hearing what is happening in this village?
My dear, you don't need to ask me. The kind of news hovering around this village, only God that can help us.
At times I feel like running away.
At times you feel like running away. Let us leave this place now before something bad happens to us. You know this village is now dangerous. Are you telling me to reduce my phone? Come, let us go.
Mbuze.
Mama, don't tell anybody that you saw me because I'm going to explain to you later. Oh.
It's like Nemesis has finally caught up with you, but I won't be part of the evil that will come up with you.
Mama, are you wishing me evil?
No, I don't wish you evil. I am not like you that wishes me evil. You don't feel anything for me. That moment I will be in pains. That is when your heart will be rejoicing. But the drum can go. I will protect you because you're my son. Go in and hide before they will see you. Oh, I don't want them to catch you. Are you still standing there? Go in before they catch you. Huh? Just make sure you close the door. Close the door.
Was that the person that opened it?
Doesn't matter. Just close the door. I don't want them to catch you. Oh, close the door. Na chialia throw za kumeka naka. Chilia naka waga bogo, chilia naka bada bada. Gani do?
Baby. Hey. I'm Beke. How are you now? I was actually on my way to your house.
You know now. I brought a news for you.
This village again.
I heard, do I didn't see it though, that Nkechi, almighty Nkechi, our village Rose girl, has been arrested. Hey!
Nkechi, Nkakuna.
Yes,
hey!
She has been arrested.
Finally.
Not only that. Do you know that guy, that fake guy that normally use vehicle, that black vehicle? And what is it called? I don't know. Our village terrorist. That village terrorist.
Yes.
Has also been arrested.
Finally, they have been arrested.
They have been arrested.
Hey, my sister. Wait. Are you telling me the truth?
Have I ever given you wrong information before?
You say, I don't say, just tell me the truth. Because I know here.
Have I ever given you wrong information before? I said they have been arrested. At least now we can drink water and drop cup in this village. Finally, oh. But are you going to your house? Oh yeah, where are we going to your house? You need to do that open salad. No, you are going to your house. They don't change direction. You are going back to your house. I said one dash shall never end.
Nkechi, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
You can see what I've been telling you. I believe by now your head must have calmed down.
Papa, please, I'm sorry. And I'm big alone. It's the work of the devil, please.
My husband, please. Please find a place in your heart and forgive her. She's still our daughter, Bikonu. Why are we all night? Bikonu, hey.
I have nothing against you, my daughter. After all, I cannot throw you away. But you can remember, there's an adage that says, if you give him a long way. My daughter, I said I will not throw you away.
Are you okay?
I'm sorry. I know I have wronged you in so many ways. I'm not supposed to be called your son. Please, I want you to forgive me in any way that I've wronged you. Please, forgive me.
Oh, Ma'am, today is a remarkable day to me. For you to say this to me, Mom, I have forgiven you long time ago. It's just the two of us. Oh, you know I love you so much. And Mom, I love you so much.
Wait. You mean to say that you've forgiven me?
I have forgiven you, and you know I love you. It's just like I've given birth to you today. That's all the Kamu and go for awful.
You mean you've forgiven me completely?
Exactly.
And because you have forgiven me completely, it makes you feel like you just gave birth.
Exactly.
Mama, do you know when a child is newly born, the next thing that comes into the child's birth is sucking breast? Now I can.
Where's again? What's in that dream? Nkechi deserves to rot in that jail.
And that don't sound like that now. She's our friend, even though I know she won't do. But let's just forgive her. Let's just forgive her.
Why?
Remember those days when we were still kids, when we played together? Those memories. I still like her. Let's just forgive her. Nobody's perfect. Did she not remember all of that when she did what she did? My dear, you are sensible enough to remember all those. For her brain will sense. So just leave it as her business. Just leave her. Let's forgive her. It's already in the past. She'll learn her lesson. I'm very sure of that. She'll learn her lesson.
Mimi. Adeze. Please forgive me. I know I have wronged the both of you, but please forgive me. If you still have a space in your heart left for me, if you ever loved me as a friend, please forgive me. I am sorry, please.
I'll not forgive you. Nkechi, you betrayed us.
What are you going to say? This is the devil. Adeze is the devil, but please forgive me. I won't do it again. Please forgive me. I am really sorry, please.
My friend, forgive me. Stop crying. Ada, don't have me. She's our friend. Adam. Oh,
Adeze, please
stop
forgive
crying.
me.
Ada, please now. It's okay. Stop crying. No. Stand up.
Forgive me.
Stand up. Stop crying.
It's the devil. It's the devil that was using me.
No, go tell mommy this water. It's okay. Stop crying. Oh, sorry.
Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya, Irorenu Anile, Jehovah Bahaya. Irorenu Anile, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah. Jironelu Wanile, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya. Ironelu Wanile, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah Bahaya. Ironelu Wanile, Jehovah Bahaya, Jehovah, Jehovah, Jehovah. Jehovah, 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 Bahaya. Ironelu Wanile, Jehovah, Bahaya. Jehovah, 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 Jehovah.
Hi there, my friend. So, it is you. I can't believe that Mbuze have changed.
Mbuze has changed. My God has changed my son for good. He changed him and made him a new brand person. And I'm so grateful to God.
I told you that one day God will remember you.
Yes, you said it. You said it sometime to me that God will remember me. And today God has remembered me, remembered my son, and changed our life for good. You need to see my son.
Hey!
Hey, Mama. Good evening.
I thought
this is not the time for thoughting. Don't thought. Honestly speaking, I am sorry for everything that I did to you. When somebody is in the world controls you. When you're outside the world, you control the world. As you can see, I'm a changed person. Please forgive all the wrongs that I did to you. I'm very, very sorry. Forgive me.
Aija, my friend.
So this is true. It's okay enough. My God has done me well. So have you forgiven him?
Nah, I have forgiven you. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. Please let me go inside and change so that I can
prepare something for us to eat.
Don't want oh, it's one woman. Look what you want
the world must know.
He cooks, he washes my clothes, he sweeps, he does everything. Pampers me like a child. He gave me a son, God gave me a son, and gave me a husband. Everything now was together for good for me. I am the first now. Ndidi Amaka and my precious, and God for this world.
So basically, I told them that if they are not giving me chairmanship of the company, they are not doing it. No, but you're laughing. I told them that. I told them I can't do it. If they want me to hold the position, they should. Osmo, boss, please check the gate. Oh, who is there? Please check the gate. Take it easy, don't break our gate. So if they are bringing it, no, I can now talk to the board of trustees.
Please, I'm looking for one Sada. Sada? Yes, she's from the village. She's from Nollywood. She's not too tall. She's just...
Are you sure you are the right place?
Yes.
Osmo! Boss! What's going on?
Boss! It's one lady like that too. She says she's looking for Mr. Dap.
Okay, please, let her come in.
Now wait. Come from.
Kitchen.
Afam, Adrako, you again? What are you doing in my house? What are you doing? Okay, babe, do you remember this girl? What are you doing? Remember her?
Leave her alone. Come. Honey, come.
What are you doing in the city?
Leave her. You're surprised.
Is this your house?
Well, such is life. You see, this is one thing about you women. You always want to reap where you didn't sow. You all want something that is already right. Forgetting that the man that you were in there when he labored through will someday guilty at the future. If you want to labor. Our fathers did. Our parents did. Your mom did. My dad did. And such is life.
Adako, Please forgive me. I know I have wronged you. I know you don't want to see me again in your entire life, but please, I'm a changed person now, okay, Jesus.
Well,
please forgive me, please.
Kechi. Oh, we don't have anything against you. Because if not for the way you behaved and for rejecting me, my beautiful wife here wouldn't have been here with me.
Are you two married?
Surprise?
Aren't you surprised that the tongue problem you thought I had was manufactured? I fixed that tongue problem to form a form of deformity so that you girls can act wild in the bush.
I am sorry. Mind you,
His name is not Alpha. Oche.
And not just a change, though. Omemma knows this.
I am a changed person now. I've gone through a whole lot. I am a changed person.
It's alright. Whatever the problem is, we understand, and we don't have anything against you, like we said before. And I'm sure you must have gone through a lot to get to this place. Osmo, boss, please go to the bedroom, get me 2 wraps, eh? I think you'll be needing something for transport fare. Okay.
Nkechi, is this real you?
I have changed.